Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So since it's finals week, I wanted to do a fast and easy makeup tutorial that you can do in like 5 or 10 minutes before your finals that's going to help you look more awake. So we're going to do easy makeup, tips to help you look more awake, and tips to take care of your skin for when you're stressed and sleep deprived. So hopefully the lighting isn't too bad. It's like really dark and foggy outside and I film with mostly natural light. So hopefully that won't be too much of an issue for this video. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and I'm going to use that as my primer today. Now this primer is actually a primer and a moisturizer in one, and a really good tip for when you're super tired and sleep deprived is to make sure that you keep your skin moisturized, because that's going to help you look a lot more awake. So I'm just going to take a couple pumps of that and apply that right to my face. So this is going to moisturize my skin and keep my foundation in place all day. So for foundation, I don't want something that's super full coverage. I just want to even out my skin tone a little bit. And I also want to stick with the theme of keeping my face super moisturized. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with a BB cream, which is basically a tinted moisturizer. And this one also is going to control oil, so you don't have to worry about getting super oily. And this foundation is super easy to apply. I'm literally just going to take some on my fingers and just apply it to my face. So then obviously I want to cover up my dark circles since finals week makes me super tired. So I'm just going to take my favorite concealer, which is the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Concealer. And I'm just going to apply a little bit because we don't want our face to be super cakey. We just want to even out our skin tone a little bit. Then I'm just going to blend this out with my stippling foundation brush from Smashbox. I'm just going ahead and blending that onto my eyelids as well to make a base for our eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face with a setting powder to make sure that my skin doesn't get oily and to keep my foundation on all day. So I'm just taking the Smashbox Halo Hydrating Perfecting Powder and applying that all over my face. So another thing that happens to your skin when you're super tired is that you're going to get a lot more pale. So we want to counteract that to make us look more awake by adding some color to our face. So I'm going to take the Smashbox Holidaze Contour and Spotlight palette, and I'm super excited about this palette. Just show you how beautiful it is. In here you have the regular contour, bronze, and highlight shades. And then the top and bottom rows are two different spotlight palettes, so just full of highlighters there. So this huge and gorgeous palette is a $105 value, but you can get it for only $39 at the Wildcat Shop at Central Washington University. And I love this palette and I think it's a great deal, and I would highly recommend trying this out either for yourself or for a gift for somebody for the holidays. So since we're just trying to add some color to our skin and we're not really contouring or anything like that, I'm just gonna go in with this bronze shade in the center here. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. I'm going to take that color around my forehead, underneath my cheekbones, and underneath my chin just to add some color to the face. And we want it to be blended out and not too precise, which is why I'm using a bigger brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of blush right onto the apples of my cheeks just to add a little bit more color into my face. So now I'm just going to go ahead and move on to eyes, and I'm not going to do a whole lot to my eyes. I'm just going to add a little bit of dimension, and I want to make this look super easy and fast, so I'm going to go back into the contour and spotlight palette, and I'm going to use these shades for eyeshadows as well. So something that helps to make your makeup look really natural is to use the same color for your contour and for your crease shade. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back into the bronze shade, and I'm going to apply that to the crease of my eyes. And I'm just going to add that to the outer corners a little bit as well. And then I'm going to go in with this highlight shade right here, which is called Pink 90. And I'm just going to use my finger and apply that all over the rest of my lid. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush and the bronze shade and bring that underneath my lower lash line as well. So continuing with eyes, one of my favorite tricks, as I have mentioned before, is to just tightline the upper waterline of my eyes, which is going to make my lashes look thicker, make my eyes look more open, and make me look more awake. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and for this I'm using the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner. I love this because it is super fast and it makes a huge difference. And then for my lower waterline, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner in the shade Bare, which is just a nude liner. So that's going to make your eyes look more fresh and awake for when you're super tired. And it just brightens up your eyes a lot. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with mascara, and I'm using the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara. Applying mascara is obviously going to make your eyes look more open and more awake. So to make yourself look more awake, the main things that you want to do is give the illusion that your eyes are more open, which is what everything that I did on the eyes is going to do. And then the other thing that you want to do is make your skin look more moisturized. So that is why I applied the Primerizer and the BB cream, which are both super moisturizing. And then another way that you can get this moisturized effect is by adding some highlight. So that's what I'm going to do next. And I'm going to go back into the Contour and Spotlight palette. I'm going to go ahead and take this light shade right here, which is called Pearls Gone Wild, and I'm just going to highlight as I normally would. And another thing that's going to make your eyes look more open is by adding highlight to the inner corners of your eyes and also to the brow bone. Okay, so we are almost finished with the makeup. So next I'm going to go in and do lips, and obviously I don't want to do a super thick or bold lipstick with this look. So you can either go in with a chapstick, but I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Eau Gloss, which is going to moisturize my lips and make them shiny so that they look more moisturized. And this Eau Gloss actually changes color to match your skin tone, so it's going to look great on you no matter what. So lastly, I'm just going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and Setting Spray, which is going to keep my skin from getting oily and also lock all the makeup in place. And there we have it. This is the finished, super easy finals week makeup look. You can see that it didn't take very long to create a makeup look that just makes you look more fresh-faced and awake, and also included a lot of elements of skincare to actually hydrate your skin for when you're feeling stressed or tired. Be sure and stop by the Wildcat Shop to check out our Holidaze collection and to pick up any of the products that I used in today's video. And don't forget to follow my Instagram at LindsayIrene16 to stay updated on all of the Smashbox products at the Central Washington University Wildcat Shop and to get information on all the products as well. I want to wish you guys good luck on all of your finals. I know that finals week is stressful, and I know that I showed you how to make yourself look less tired, but still try to get a lot of sleep and stay hydrated while you're studying for your finals. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have an awesome day.